Down towards Leicester today, maybe 48 miles, something like that. Beautiful day, pretty lost El Stew. Quite an amusing turn of events. It turns out that you can get out. Turns out you can get out.
Would you dance in there? Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
Gate. I'm not going to make the gate. Look at them. You lot think you're pretty bloody funny, don't you? So you've completely blocked me off and I've had to send Craig the other way. Woo! You are brave, actually.
I wanna see where this goes. I need a light to see home. And I want you to know, sunshine, you are my sunshine. It's another morning. I wanna wake up as more than just friends. Sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
I don't remember that.
I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around my way. I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around so we can begin again. I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around my way, and I wanted to feel for you. I wanted you to feel it too. I wanna see you come around so we can begin